So hi and welcome to my channel. In this video we will look at how to run a script directly within SmartConsole. So there is a way that we can directly run the script here. If we check here, it says scripts. We click there and then scripts repository. And there we can create a new script. When we click here, call it create objects from SmartConsole, something like that. And we have two options. We can copy and paste the text of the script here, or just open a file, the script file. So we click there and we open the script file, open like this, and then we click OK here. And we see that the script that we created just now. And here I did some changes here. I have added 111 only to create new objects. I've changed the IP address so we can see new objects showing up here. So now if we run this script, so mark it, right click, or we right click here, we can click run here or there. So we click run. By the way, we need to mark the management server here, because when we mark it, click on it here, the script will run on it. If we click on the gateway and try to run the script will try to run on the gateway and it will fail. So run, okay. And we can see there it's happening. You can see it there directly. These objects show up here. And it will continue and install the policy. Now it's installing. Takes some time to install and to run the policy, run the script. Oh, now it's done. We can check these objects here. Exactly as we mentioned them in. So we can look at this object, for example, ADM ZNet 1, ADM ZNet 1 IP address 112.0, 112.0. So that was a quick video about that. So thank you for watching and see you next time.